Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Lou's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this lamp. Now Goofy has some issues. The light works, but the animation is not working properly. So we want to troubleshoot this lamp. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. We also want to mention that there's an off and on switch at the back of Goofy at the base, and you want to make sure that that switch is always in the off position when you're plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to this unit. Goofy is plugged in to the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and reach around and turn the switch in the on position. Now what we can do is go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
And Goofy has a bunch of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. And we want to wait a little bit because it's not good to turn this type of a lamp on and off too quickly. So we'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Who turned out the light?
And we'll give it a second. We'll turn Goofy back on.
Hello? Hello?
We can go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Where'd you go?
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the lamp back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll go ahead and turn Goofy back on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return it to Lou and they can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.